Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Luke is here. I have today is 2013 Honda Pilot. So I replaced the spark plugs. Then customer still complaining his misfire is kind of jogging. It kind of comes and goes. So I have my scan tool hooked up. So let's find out what kind of code we have. So here we are on the Pilot. Got no light, no check engine light on. I have my scan tool hooked up. And so far, no code. So I'm gonna pause this video for a second. It's gonna take a while to scan this thing, the whole system. Then I'll be back. So after waiting for 3 minutes or more, now we have the ABS code. Let's find out what kind of code we have. Come on, why are you taking so long? 30 seconds into it. Read code. I don't like that. So, PCM malfunction. I don't like that one bit. So check the freeze frame if they have it. So the vehicle is running. It's driving about 19 miles per hour. Right front wheel speed sensor is different than the one. It's way different. So he must be turning. So the reason why, because turning, so this wheel speed sensor is less mile per hour, the right front, and the left front is approximately 19 mile per hour or 20 mile per hour. So you know when this car is turning. So brake switch is off. So we have another code, 77-1, powertrain failure. -1, powertrain. Yeah, so let me go back to a shop and look up these code right here. It's at 83-11. Calling for the PCM failure, and another is 77-1 powertrain system failure. So I'm gonna go back to the shop and look all these code up. I hope you enjoy this kind of video. Please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question regarding your vehicle or repair or diagnostic, I will be hosting a Q&A on Thursday. Every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Central Time. The link is down in the description. Please click on the link. It will guide you how to register for Q&A. So I will see you there. Now back to this video. So we're gonna check a mode 6. So we have code 0, no code found. So go on board monitor. So I just want to verify the misfire on all cylinder or not. So I gotta skip through. Evap, I don't want no evap. Misfire data. Cylinder number 1 got 1 count. Cylinder number 2 got 11 count for this current drive cycle. So cylinder number 2, I think 2 is on the front.